and he felt he never felt sorry for himself, and because he was blind, and he kept up with his practice. One day, he felt a hole in his robe, and he tried to mend it, but found it very difficult, and he could not even thread the needle. And the Buddha come into his room and thread the needle for him. And who is threading the needle for me? And Animuta asked, and it's the Buddha. And the Buddha replied, and why he was mending the road. And Animuta felt really happy and moved in tears. And in this story, and it shows us to help each other when our friend or our parents, when they get into difficult times. Yes, we have to help. Yes, always help those who need it, and helping each other is good. Thank you.